Okay, so now we're going to draw the chair. Again, we need a horizon line, 6 inches on both sides, and horizon line. Now we need the vanishing point at 4.5 inches in. All right, so let's begin the chair. Take your ruler, hold it on the left side, make sure the 0 is here. You're going to shift it over into the page about 1/2 inch, and we are going to make a line going from the 1.5 to the 4. Okay, from the 1.5 inch marker to the 4, just like this. All right, then we're going to go in about 1/4 inch again on the bottom and the top, just like this. And you can close this off. All right, so take your ruler and close it off so you have a thin rectangle. All right, so now we need to figure out where the midpoint is on this. So it's going to be about 1.25 inches up. So we're going to take the ruler, 1.25 inches up. We're going to put a little spot right there just so I have an idea of the halfway point. Take your ruler over, and we're going to make a line that's about 1.25 inches over. And if you notice here, just to show you again, here's 1.25 inches, and that's where it ends. All right, let's now create a second line like this. If you notice, these widths are the same. Okay, now let's go down, keeping it perfectly vertical. Again, about 1.25 inches. And the same. All right, so what you're looking for is a kind of a lowercase h. Make sure the feet down here are equal. That's kind of the shape we're looking for. As long as you get that general shape, you'll be good. All right, so the widths are all equal, and this is about 2.25 inches, or 2.5 inches, sorry, going down. All right, that's perfect. Now let's make the lines going towards the vanishing point. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good, you see that? Now we want to make this shorter, okay? So what I'm going to do is measure how far it goes back. I'm thinking, let's see, somewhere about this is pretty good. So that is about 1 inch, maybe a little more than 1 inch, maybe 1.25 inches going back from here to here. This has to match this, and now we're going to make a horizontal. It's going to match this horizontal. You can start to see the chair being built as we go. There's the horizontal, vertical, horizontal, and we're going to go right back up again, vertical, and lastly horizontal. All right, so there's part of your chair. Good. Now let's erase the back. Oop, that's no good. Let's erase the back. Okay, looking good. All right, now we gotta make the legs on the inside, right here. Okay, so we are gonna go and start off on here. We're gonna move to the right just a little bit, go up. If you notice, I don't go up all the way. All right, and then we're gonna go towards the vanishing point. Notice. And then lastly, we are gonna go straight down. So we just kind of framed out the inside of that chair. All right, at this point you can erase out the inside. Good, all right. Now we gotta come in from here. So make a horizontal, like that. And lastly, a vertical. Good. All right, we're almost there. So we need to make this leg here 3D. All right, so we're gonna go from here up. So notice a little bit. and then down. All right, and that's good. There you go.